Welcome to Study Loop.
All right, so here the flexible PEX budget variance is equal to spending variance plus efficiency variance, right? So this is never be varied, right? And here let assume that let it is so the flexible this is a flexible budget variance, and it has two parts, right? So the first part and the second part, right, and this is the spending variance, this is the spending variance, and this is the efficiency variance, right? Efficiency variance, right? And this is never be or never a variance, right? Never be a variance, right? All right. So there is never an efficiency variance per PEX overhead because managers cannot be more or less efficient, right? In dealing with an amount that is PEX regardless of the output level, right? So also the result is that the flexible budget variance amount is the same as the spending variance, right? So the spending variance per PEX manufacturing overhead, right? So uh, these are this is the relationship per PEX manufacturing overhead variances, right? So these are the relationships.